Hello, Abusia. Welcome to Gasby GH. Mama Kwabad number Gasby GH platform. So Kasafa Mamuna Malik, young Ghanaian girl who traveled to Saudi Arabia and met her untimely incident where another person poured acid on her face, disfiguring her face completely. Her eyes, she was blinded by that. Her nose, she could not breathe. Her face was just completely disfigured. She came back to Ghana. Mamuna has undergone so many plastic surgery. If you see her today and if you hear her story will just inspire you. Her story will just amaze you. Her story will make you wonder, why am I even living in my current situation? If she can, under this condition, if she can maintain some level of sanity, some level of calmness, some level of faith, some level of perseverance, some level of resilience, some level of persistency, why me? Why me still stuck in my deplorable state? Ebusia, Mamuna, eko Saudi Arabia so kokodi pa e de bia behwe ne busua. Say ne maame na oyare ontimi nko ene waba Mamuna ya na ohwe eboa breadwinner, you can say breadwinner of that family. 3 years ago, 2020, and I say me ebede dwa e wo Ghana kra na da gene say Mamuna Malik, young girl wa Saudi Arabia na e hokohwe aside gu nani so. Hey, e ma wo hwe no kakra bi no o ma san de naba. O mo de ne ba ya, o se mi na ne say onye citizen wo hono enti first plastic surgery na ye no, or first maybe first aid na the man no one no ntimi nye no any more plastic surgery because one be chest ad neka no say fidie ehwan a esi puntu hwan a ekọ nchi no say Mamuna esan ba nchi Mamuna ba nchi a e ba nchi a ne wons na akọ politika kakra ba no and then wons wo dia bani na chesa sem akwakoye abrofo sem ama ebusua. The known Crimes Check Foundation for a day of Honso a gym, which is a brand in a day, no one dear from Kwan Way, or Yantena, and the Mayfield, one was dear from Kwan Way, dear. Ye bomb a basodo. Crime Check and so no who Jimu, and no day or interview, rain or dinner, say, be about 2 done, and just say, Ghana, oh. Indeed, no more not to say, Unya adoye, my plastic surgeons. So the first plastic surgery she went through a Kolibu. And to fast forward and Mamuna go through so many surgery when nimu yi hwese nya no sitie na hwe enne nanim. Mamuna go through so many surgeries and then finally when nya animu a just at this impempons where do need here me jiri say or you satisfied. If we become ba ka ho kra na me jiri say ye do die or you satisfied. Ni baako na ebo em say ne ayeye ne hwen na no say a problem mano. So when not ontimi breathe through ne ho ntimi ho me mfa ne hwen mu just obie ne no enne se ne aye ho ne kasa mu de ye hu se otimi breathe through ne nose just say oh nyame ayebi na monko so ana monhwe video no na
far like obroni ni be ama me no can say 50-50 chance.
What 50-50
Sarah say survive and I say me survive and I be survive but ehwen ni be fail.
Hey,
because the vein no moja anko in and out ebe say but we catch on say me because already my friend am be when I mean say here we pa
say 50-50 you want to say 50-50 come in casa ko it's ya do for one person better assemble media
this is what I don't we should show
then e ma o gidi 50-50 dey na ya casa come on outside
Mama me sign and Wednesday na I admit him in the crowd broni ni sabe bisa me say me ya na me say ai Thursday di me ra theater na pa no sabaye sabe bisa me say me ya na me say ai
no me na mental ase wo ni nkwa line no e very thin e den
pa me kra benya ba bi pa o dwendwen
ade chiye pe mi wo na me nya call so broni na banten wo se membra
okay
and me banten by man ko fie bio
wow
like obroni ni be
Enuanom Mamuna ne kuku edu. Hey. Okay, so you see 50-50 chance of survival. Osimeye. Na ade wo ya be wanya obi wo na nya medre meye. Mi woni dan so bi so say me yen so ebeye. Esi gidie, wo di gidie etaya de chia Bible just say yen gidie mpo ti say snappy aba. Ene ni ntimi nye. It will move mountains. Inti Mamuna de gidie agene kwa. Enne se mo hwe animu ya. Erade na aye. Mamuna keep it up. Oh, mo bia so abebo Mamuna. Mamuna Crimes Check Foundation. When somebody momo on your number de nyana. Mo frɛ wo mo. To say enne na ye wie n'anim no onwie ye. Ohia mmoa. Se ne be ya obetimi dia start ono akasa so poda djuma. No watimi enya bia koda no watimi so enya bi de hwe ne mama no watimi so enya bi de hwe ne mada achi so obewo. Mamuna Edawase for allowing all of us to tap into your story to also share. Crimes Check Foundation, Edamosmose, for bringing this message out. Senebeya, amanfo ina so betimi ehu bi na motimi aboa na yensi betimi so nya bi so aboho dawuro na se mwa bi free mo ba so a at least betimi aboa na sustain Mamuna nso na ade biara opese woye ye bompa ye ma so wagina ti obiara opese wutumi Nyankopon ngugu so nsuo Nyankopon emane em flourish emma o Yesu bi menti amen me do bibia so ase a okoso ara wo hwe me na cho so subscribe ya subscribe wa subscribe so akoso na share like na comment thank you